Welcome to our channel Maths Bench. Everybody first in this page. My videos are very helpful to the students who are studying 10th class or preparing for the 10th class examinations. So please share to them for about my videos, then they can watch my videos, they can improve themselves in my subject. Okay, let's go for the lesson. Please subscribe my channel for easy getting of my videos, right? Now two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of a road. This is a road which is on the road, one side is AB pole and second side is CD pole, which are equal heights, here not specified, so we have to find out the height h, right? Which is road width is 120 feet wide, 120 feet not meters. From a point between them on the road, exactly on the one point between them on the road, angle of elevation of the poles are 60 and 30. So when you are observing the first pole top, it makes an angle is equal to 60 degrees. When he observing the second pole, then the angle is 30 degrees. One is 60 degrees, second one is 30 degrees. Now find the height of the two poles and distance between the point from the pole. First find out the what is the height of the pole. Understanding diagram, here AB is a pole and CD also pole, which are equal heights, we don't know, let them as h. The width of a road or distance between them is 120 feet. From a point on the road, observing the top of a first pole at 60 degrees and top of the second pole at 30 degrees. So from the same point he is observing the two tops of the poles at 60 and 30 degrees. Okay, using of this diagram, let's solve how to do it. A B C D completed, let it be as E. Well, let's start the solution now. Now in the first triangle, now here point is E on the road of the total length, we don't know the first distance from the first pole, let it be as a x, and the second distance is equal to from the total 120, you have to remove this x, means the total 120 minus x is the remaining. So this in this triangle, angle is 60, opposite adjacent, so we have to use tan. So in triangle A B E, we can apply tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side. Here for theta, how much given? 60 degrees. What is opposite for 60? Opposite is equal to h, adjacent is equal to x. We know tan 60 value how much? Root 3 is equal to h by x, by transpose into, so we will get x into root 3 is equal to h. This is the first one. Now we can find out value of second one. I mean this using of this second triangle. In triangle CDE, in triangle CDE also we can apply tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to here 30, opposite value is equal to h by adjacent value is equal to 120 minus x. We already calculated here, h value is equal to how much you got? X root 3. Substitute here x, h value x root 3. Tan 30 value we know 1 by root 3 is equal to x root 3 by 120 minus x. Apply cross multiplication. Now first value x root 3, first value x root 3 into root 3 is equal to 120 minus x into 1. Now root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, x is equal to 120 into 1, 120 minus x. 3x is equal to transpose minus x transpose plus x is equal to 120. 3x plus x is equal to 4x is equal to 120, and value of x is equal to 120 by 4. 4 ones are 4 30s are. Value of x is equal to 30. Value of x is equal to 30. Now what is here x here? We can observe from the figure. This is called x, distance between the first pole and the observing point. So first distance is equal to x, and the second distance, second pole distance is equal to, we can say that the first distance from the first pole distance is equal to x is equal to 30 feet, and the distance from the second pole is equal to 120 minus x. So 120 minus 30, we know 120 minus 30 is equal to 90 feet. The first distance is 30, and the second distance is 90, and also you have to calculate what is the height of the two poles. Height is equal to, what is condition from the first one? Height is equal to x root 3. Now x value got 30, so 30 root 3, x value 30 root 3. If you want, substitute root 3 into root 3 value 1.732. If you multiply it, you will get your result. Actually no need this much of feet. Okay, let's go for the next problem. Now the continuous next problem. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points, not 1 point. So here I am drawing a pole. Let the pole is AB. From the 2 points, a distance of one is 4 meters and second one is 9 meters. From the pole we have to move at some distance. First observation point is at how many meters? 4 meters. And second distance point from the pole only 9 meters. 9 meters till there. Right? Now we can say that AB is a pole and first observing point is C, a distance of 4 meters, and second observing point is D. From the pole only how many meters? 9 meters. Not CD 9, then BD is 9. Do you clear here? And the next one given, we have to find the height of a tower, and we don't know here height, so it will be h, and the base of a tower, and in the same straight line with our complementary. Here from the first observation point here one angle is forming, and in the second case observing the second top of a pole, then tower, which makes an angle. These two angles are called complementary. This angle equal to theta, this angle becomes as 90 minus theta. Right? This is the diagram. Once observe the diagram clearly, then I can able to solve. What is here? AB is a tower. We don't know the tower height, so h. From a point C, observing a top of a tower, yet one some angle he not given, so theta. Distance is 4, and the second point is at 9 meters distance, and here also angle given. Here these two angles are complementary, so one angle is theta, second angle is 90 minus theta. Okay na? Based on this we can solve the problem. First ABC triangle, first triangle ABC, later ABD triangle. Okay na? Let's take the first triangle ABC. So we can use in the triangle ABC, we can write tan theta. Right? For this angle opposite and adjacent, so we have to use tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan not given theta, opposite value equal to h, adjacent is equal to 4. This is equation 1. Right? Let's go for the second equation for the triangle ABD. What is triangle name? In triangle ABD, here angle opposite and adjacent, so here also you have to use tan theta only. opposite side by adjacent side. For this angle, opposite value h, adjacent value is total how much value? 9. So tan theta angle is equal to 90 minus theta, opposite value equal to h by adjacent value is equal to 9. Right? Now we can solve the problem here. Now tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta is equal to h by 9. Now cot theta formula, we know cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta we can write 1 by tan theta is equal to h by 9. Now reciprocal of that one, tan theta is equal to 9 by h. Equation 2. Equation 1 is tan theta is equal to h by 4. Equation 2 is tan theta is equal to 9 by h. First one you got h by 4. Second one you got 9 by h. This one you got from the first one. This one also you got from the second one. Both are equal for the tan theta is equal to h by 4 is equal to 9 by h. Okay na? Apply cross multiplication. H into h is equal to h square. 4 into 9 or 9 into 4. Right? Now value of h square is equal to 9 4s are 36. Then value of h is equal to root 36. Then value of h is equal to 6 meters. Here h means what? Here height of the tower. Therefore height of the tower is equal to how many meters? 6 meters. Will you clear the problem? Please, if you not understand, please watch the video again, then definitely you can understand easily. Okay, all the best. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and good preparation. Thank you. All the best.